Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's called Morning with Pam. This is my first offshore YouTube video where I'll be doing a cooking show. My plan is to focus on making breakfast, but let's see. I'll do the other cooking like the curry, not only breakfast, for lunch or dinner if I have time. And I'll do the mukbang part as well whenever I get time. So I hope you guys will enjoy my video. Please come and join with me in cooking. Good morning guys, welcome to my channel again. For today's morning breakfast, I'm going to prepare a noodles, veg noodles called YY. So these are the ingredients which I'm going to prepare. Some jugni, carrot, 2 eggs and 2 packets of YY. First, let's boil the vegetables first, the jugni and carrot. Once the water starts heating, we'll put. Maximum cook it for 5 minutes, not more than that, otherwise the jugni will get overcooked. Okay guys, so let's add the noodles. Oh, sorry. There are extra packets, chili packets. So let it get boil for some time. Now I'm going to add the masala. And the chili powder as well. Add some spring onion. So this noodle part is done now. I'm going to make some scrambled egg and mix it together again. Okay, I'm going to add some oil. Not much. Dun, dun, dun. Let's fry the egg. I think my oil is already hot enough. Oh no, it's not hot yet. Add some salt and chili powder as well. Just for flavor, okay? Let's add all the YY. for the last final touch, you add some spring onion. It's up to you whether you like to eat raw spring onion or you want to eat cooked one. If you like cooked one, then while cooking noodles, you can add all the spring onion. Otherwise, I would like to add at the end of this one cooking. So I'll just add like this, cover the lid for 1 minute, and it's done. So guys, my YY is done. Isn't it looking colorful? It's beautiful. This is my own recipe. Actually, I like to add bok choy as well, but since I don't have bok choy, I just add some carrot and jugni. So I hope you guys enjoy and like my cooking. Please do share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and let's see you next time. Bye.
Good morning with Pam. We are here to taste Pam's first dish, which is veg YY, and it looks very yummy. It smells delicious, and we can see there are all vegetables and very nicely cooked noodles. It is so delicious that I'm going to take a minute to give my review. So the noodles are very nicely cooked. The flavors are very interesting. The vegetables are mixed well with the noodles. It's very delicious. I don't think that I can give this bowl to anyone else. So you should definitely try. Cook and try. Subscribe Morning with Pam.